Scientists know that your brain uses sensory information from your muscles and joints around your spine to help control your balance and posture, and to make sure that you're moving properly. When your brain takes sensory information and uses it to help guide movement and control muscles, we call this sensorimotor function. One particular study looked at whether neck pain has an impact on proper sensorimotor function in older people. In this study, the researchers ran a whole lot of sensorimotor function tests, like how well they could control movements of their eyes, or how good their balance was, and they took into account their age and other conditions that the subjects might be suffering from. They found that the older people with neck pain were worse than those without neck pain at most of the tests they performed. For example, the people with neck pain couldn't control their eyes as well, or their balance wasn't as good as people who had no pain. The researchers thought that in the people with neck pain, they had poor communication between their neck and their brains, which meant that they weren't as good at controlling their balance and other types of sensorimotor function. Remember that your brain uses sensory information from your muscles and joints around your spine to help control your balance and posture, and to make sure that you are moving properly. So if that information from your spine isn't very good, your brain will struggle to control what's going on in your body. The scientists who did this study were pretty much saying that the altered information from the neck in these older people who had neck pain was disturbing their brain's ability to make sense of other sensory information. This in turn potentially affected their balance and increased their risk of falling. The research team at the Centre for Chiropractic Research at the New Zealand College of Chiropractic agree with these scientists because their own research studies over many, many years suggest that chiropractic care improves the accuracy in the communication between the spine and the brain, which makes it easier for the brain to accurately tell what's going on in and around the body, and that spinal dysfunction does not need to be so bad that you are in pain for the brain to be disturbed, and that gentle spinal adjustments can help improve your brain's ability to accurately know what's going on. These scientists have even shown that chiropractic care for older adults improves specific forms of sensorimotor function that is very relevant to falls prevention. For example, they have shown that chiropractic care for older adults improves how accurately your brain knows where your ankle joint is, even though you've got your eyes closed. They also found that older adults could take a significantly faster step after a period of chiropractic care, and they also showed that their brains got better at processing information from their eyes and their ears at the same time after a period of chiropractic care. So although chiropractic care does help people with neck pain, it also has so much more to offer, even if you don't have neck pain. Chiropractic care is all about improving the communication between your brain and your body so that you can function at your optimal potential. So whether you are suffering from neck pain or have loved ones that do, or you just want to have a tune-up of your brain-body communication, go and see your family chiropractor and have your spine tuned up so you can function at your best.